Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy fishtail half up half down hairstyle. To start, we're going to want to curl the hair, and I'm taking small 1-inch sections, and I'm just opening the clamp on my tongue and wrapping it around the barrel. Hold it there for 5 to 10 seconds, and then when you release the curl, gently tug on the end just to loosen it up a bit so you get a nice messy beachy wave. Then taking the next section, we're going to wrap it around the barrel again, but we're going to go in the opposite direction. This is so when you pull your fingers through at the end, the curls don't all join together. Repeat this over the entire head until everything is curled. Okay, now that everything is all curled, we're going to add some texture spray and just spray this all over the hair and then run your fingers through to break up those curls. So working on the front left hand side, we're going to take a section of hair going from the top of the head to just above the ear. And we're going to do a small fishtail braid. So to do that, I've left a few pieces out along the hairline, but you're going to want to split your section equally in half. Then take a small section of hair from the left hand side, pass it over to the right hand section and join it to that one. And then take a small section of hair from the right hand side, pass it over the strand and join it into the left hand section. And it really is that simple. You keep taking very small pieces of hair from the outside, crossing them over the strand to join the opposite strand. Whilst you're braiding this section, angle it towards the back of the head, and then when you reach the middle of the head you can stop braiding. Okay, when you've got your fishtail long enough, apply some more texture spray to the braid and then just use your fingers to pinch and pull at each individual one of those loops just to give it a lovely messy look. Then just secure it with a clear elastic band. Then just repeat the same braid on the opposite side of the head. Once you've finished braiding both sides, pull the right hand section to the middle of the back of the head and create a hole and pop your fingers through. We're then going to pull that left hand braid through the hole and make sure you pull it nice and tight and just secure it together and to the head with a bobby pin or two. Tuck the the ends underneath and again use some more bobby pins to secure the braid to the head, and repeat this on both sides. Add some more texture spray and just pinch and pull at the crown area just to give a bit more volume. And here's the finished style. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.